Are you kidding me? What the? Oh man, not this again.
You remember my virus spell, don't you? It's black magic that can destroy your frail little body. This particular one I'm using goes straight for the gut. Yep. You'd better run and find a potty soon or there's gonna be an awful mess.
Ugh, your magic is freaking nasty!
Bubble guts! OMG, Gray's old friends are pathetic. I totally don't get how Fairy Tale was ever, like, famous and stuff. You guys are so weak, it's actually kind of hilarious.
No, you're wrong! I'm fine! I can handle this!
You should probably know that my virus magic can target any part of your body I feel like messing with. Like, if I wanted to, I could scramble your brains like an egg.
Hold on! My stomach just stopped hurting all of a sudden.
I feel way better!
The pain utterly disappeared.